Green hydrogen is an essential driver for the decarbonization of industry and mobility. From production to use, SPIE is a long-standing actor at the heart of its ecosystem, offering tailor-made turnkey solutions from design to installation and operations to maintenance. We are involved in all stages of hydrogen production, in the transmission and supply of electricity to the electrolyzers, where water is transformed into hydrogen. We design and implement all the piping, mechanical, electrical, and utility interconnections. We pilot and supervise the installations to optimize operations and monitor quality carefully to ensure the production of usable hydrogen. With the support of our partners, we also carry out the complete integration of the equipment, including civil engineering and buildings. In the industrial sector, we support our customers in their industrial processes, in their heating applications, by replacing natural gas with hydrogen, and in transforming CO2 emissions into e-fuels and methane. Hydrogen is also revolutionizing transportation. SPIE is involved in the manufacture of fuel cells that enable vehicles to operate without emitting CO2, and in the installation of refueling infrastructure. We also help bring online power to gas stations, which convert surplus hydrogen into electricity or re-inject it into natural gas networks. SPIE is present across the entire hydrogen value chain, supported by in-depth knowledge of today's stakeholders and challenges, thanks to our traditional business lines. We are working together to decarbonize industry and expand zero-emission mobility.